Mendes yn rhywun gipio'r meddiant. Gisio mynd i bei ben Nash. Nash yn ei warchod tuag at yr Ysys. Gwaith da gan Lasana Mendes. Groesiad tuag at Shannon. Ar y beidiad yn un wych gan Firth. Ar y cynnig gyntaf gan Oli Shannon. 2 gol yn barod y tymor yma. Mewn tair gêm bron fag at trydydd. Ond oedd y golwr Andy Firth ar y flaenau draed. Edwards a Cei ar draws ei gilydd. Be o'n disgyn i Stratoulis ar y foli. Gweld Ramsey oddi ar ei linell! O, am gol o Didog gan Ryan Stratoulis. Dim ond rhyw 6 allan oddi ar ei linell oedd Ramsey. Mi gododd o'r bel yma yn gelfydd. Dim gobaith i'r golwr. Ramsey fyny tuag at Venables, cael ei giro gan George Horan. Edwards ymlaen wedyn tuag at Luke Hall. Venables chodi fyny tuag at Dave Edwards ar y postyn pell. Edwards rownd y golwr ac yn taro rwyd ochr. Nath y ddigon i gair ongl. Weledigaeth gan Venables. Rediad gan Edwards. Ond Firth yn ei digon. Dafliad i fyny tuag at Wild, cael ei ffynnu allan gan y Bala, mynd disgyn i Harrington. Harrington ar ei droi dem i bwy 1-2 chwaraewr. Y Bala, Stratoulis, y groesiad gat Wild! O, sut ar y ddaear fethodd Mike Wild hwnna. Harrington. Groesiad i mewn tuag at Stratoulis, chwilio mi ail! O, dylai di bod yn ail. O'r noson iddo fo a'i Cei Connah. Ac efallai bod cyflwr y cae heb helpu y chwaraewr ifanc ar fenthyg o Tramir. Edwards, Mendes dan bwysau Disney. Gwch allan hwnna gicio ymlaen fyna gan Anthony Cei. Ond mae o wedi cael un cerdyn melyn, mae gweld yr ail, a mae wedi gwthio Disney. Colli dempar Anthony Cei. Ail gerdyn melyn. Mendes to cefn i Harrington. Gyda gan Harrington. Mendes dal ar meddiant. A mae'n mynd heibio i Harrington, mae'n y cwrt Cosby. Lasana Mendes, James Davies, cyfleiraidd i ddod ar Bala yn gyfartal. Mendes tuag at y postyn pella. Gael ei ffenni allan. Ac ar y foli! Oedd Dave Edwards o'n mynd bell. Pete chodi fyny tuag at Venables ond Horan eto'n clirio Arsan. Ceisio gwneud y fath a Stratoulis. Gweld y golwr oedd i ar ei linell. Mae'n rhaid efo wyro hwnna dros y trawst. Oedd o'n mynd siŵr lle oedd o. Chwarae'n saff nath y golwr. Digon o symudiad yn y cwrt Cosby tuag at y postyn pella. Wild yn penio allan. Franklin yn cyrraedd y flaen Southern. Mae o wedi gweld un cerdyn melyn, rydw o fod yn ofalus. A mae'n baglu Franklin. A mae o'n di gweld ail gerdyn melyn. Yndi mae o. Bala lawr i 9-1. Yr ail chwaraewr i'r ymwelwyr gael cawod cynnar.
That 1-0 is a good scoreline to have in terms of being ahead in the game, but it allows you to start to drop deep and try and hold on to what you've got. Now, if we were being more clinical, better decision making in the final third, we probably could have edged it 2-3, and then that last 20 minutes don't happen. However, you know, we're a work in progress. You know, let's not kid ourselves. You know, there's 14, 15 players left the club, you know, who started last season that aren't here now. We brought 7 players in. You know, we've still only been in ourselves 3.5 weeks, so we're very much work in progress. So we're not where I want us to be yet, but the fact that we've just beaten Bala and we're on 6 points from the first 4 games, that includes TNS away and Bala, shows that we're going in the right direction, and the players and staff need a lot of credit for that, buying into what we're trying to get them to do.
Do you know what? I think overall our performance was really good. I thought dominated the first half. We switched off, got caught with it. To be fair, the lad scored a great goal. He took an opportunity, but I don't think we looked under pressure at all first half. Second half was a little bit more even, but Still, I thought we were the better team with 11 men. When we went down to 10, I thought we were the better team. Even when we went to 9 men, I thought we were still going for it and creating chances. So it's disappointing to come away with nothing after such a good team performance.
Any goal is nice to win a game, but what a goal from yourself and the first goal in the Cymru Premier.
Yeah, I got my head up early on in the game and it went on, so I thought next time I get it, I'm going to have a go. So got my head up, seen him off his line, and by the looks of it, he just left it in. So.
But Gibbo was telling us that, you know, the goalkeeper coach Neil Ebrell had told you prior to the game that,
Yeah.
you know, he's off his line, you know, high up off his line, and you capitalised on that.
Yeah, he gave me the heads up before the game and the changes, and that's all I was looking for really. Anywhere around 25-30 yards, I thought I've got a chance of doing it tonight.